Mama, I am very excited today. Me too, Tom. Where should we go first? Let's see all the animals. This zoo is very big. Yes, and very beautiful. My ice cream is so yummy.
It looks delicious.
Wow, the giraffes are so tall. They are amazing. The giraffe is eating from my hand. That is so cool. These monkeys are so funny. They move very fast. Hey, that is my cap. The monkey is very naughty. Come back with my cap. This is so funny. I got my cap back. The monkey is funny. The elephants love water. Look at the splash. Oh no, I am wet. That was funny. This train ride is fun. I love it. The lions are sleeping. They look cute. That lion is loud. Yes, very loud. Roar! You sound funny. The birds are beautiful. So many colors. The bird likes me. Smile for the photo. Penguins walk funny. They are very cute. Look at me!
Very funny.
The fish are above us. This place is amazing. The sharks are huge. They look scary. I am very hungry. The food is tasty. The pigeons want food.
There are so many.
That dolphin jumped high. So amazing. This place is scary. The snakes look creepy. That snake is huge.
Do not worry. The flamingos are beautiful.
I like this place. I love drawing animals. Your drawing looks nice. These animals are adorable. They are so soft. This rabbit is soft. The goat is friendly. I want a panda toy. I want a lion toy. You look funny. You should try them too. I had so much fun today. Me too. Today was wonderful. I will always remember it.